Hey everyone, if you need to redeploy your website after making changes, fixing errors, updating environment variables, or troubleshooting deployment issues, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to redeploy a project on Vercel from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Vercel account and open the Vercel dashboard. From there, select the project you want to redeploy. Once you're inside the project dashboard, navigate to the deployment section. Here you'll see a list of your previous deployments, along with their status and deployment history. Next, locate the deployment you want to redeploy. This is usually the most recent deployment, but you can choose an older one if needed. Click on the deployment to open its details page. Review the deployment information and verify that you're selecting the correct version of the project. Now look for the redeploy option. Click the redeploy button and confirm your choice if prompted. Vercel will start a new deployment using the same project configuration and source code associated with that deployment. And that's how to redeploy a project on Vercel in 2026. Whether you're applying updates, fixing issues, or refreshing configuration settings, redeploying is a simple way to publish the latest version of your application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.